Hello you guys, hi, this is Poonam from Paint and Clay Studio and welcome you all to my video library. Here's a link to my WhatsApp. You can just ping on this link and reach to me directly to know anything and everything about clay flowers. Perfect, I've pinned the comment. It's so difficult to work. Hello, hello, hello. Hi Neelu, hi Sandra, hi everyone else who's joining. We'll wait for a few minutes for letting other people join in. By the time you can just visit my website and see the products. I have 3 amazing offers on my old courses. Not every time that I come, I put up the discount on the courses, but this time I thought I have to. It's been quite long and I have a lot of cutters and veiners for the same, so I just thought that I'll give them a try and put up on discount. Hi Gitanjali, I'm good. Hi Neelu. Hello Swati ji. Hey Sandra. Okay, so today's course is not about flowers. First of all, disheartened, even I am disheartened, but I tried my level best to make a big fall arrangement, which I do every year. हर साल मैं एक नए fall arrangement के साथ आती हूँ. Fall is my favorite season. Orange is my so-called favorite colors, and I love those trees turning into those orange colors and shed off their leaves, and then the new growth starts. So that's one of the most beautiful phase of clay flowers that of leaves and trees which I really like. और इस बार मेरे पास 2 नई चीज़ें हैं, which is the maple leaf cutter and the maple leaf veiner, जो कि अभी तक मेरे पास नहीं था. It's listed on the website, and if you can't see it, just refresh the link and you would be able to see them. So you can buy the maple leaf cutters and the maple leaf veiners. I actually should have shown you. Can I go and just get them? It's a little far away. I can't go and get them. Sorry. I'll show it. You can just visit my website and there it's listed. So if you want to make your fall arrangements look even more natural and beautiful, the maple leaf veiner, which was there in the pipeline since quite long, now we have it and you can buy it and you can make your own beautiful maple leaves using the maple leaf veiners, and we have the cutters for the same, so you can buy the maple leaf cutters and veiners. But yeah, I will be incorporating those cutters and veiners in one of my fall arrangements, which I was supposed to do this year, but I couldn't do it. My children, one in 10th and the other one in 12th, they have exams. I can't spare out time to make those huge quantity of flowers, so I thought of settling down with something shorter, sweeter, and not sweeter, actually sour and quickie course. So I have come up with a quick course this time, and this is not flower. So the 3 courses on which I have the discount offer running right now is Lotus, Water Lily, and I forgot. I'll tell you. It's also listed on the website. So can I show you the Lotus and Water Lily here? Do we have it? None of them I can see here. I should have actually start with the samples in my hand, but you can go back and see the pictures of the arrangements which I have done. Along with the Lotus and Water Lily, there are 3 fall courses which I have done so far. One is the sunflower fall arrangement, one is the dahlia fall arrangement, and one is the passion flower fall arrangement, which I have done past 3 years. I have done it. all the 3 courses have discounts offer running right now, so you can book it. For all the details, whatever you want to know, you can just ping me on WhatsApp. I'll share all the details with you. So total 5 courses. Lotus, water lily, you just need to buy the cutters. Lotus और water lily के cutters अलग होते हैं, बाकी venas are the same for the petal and the leaf. So you can buy water lily and lotus courses, and only water lily and lotus cutters you can buy, and the venas are the same for both of them. So lotus, water lily, fall arrangement 1, 2, 3, both 3 courses, past 3 years, all 5 courses are on discount. And for the other details, you can ping me on WhatsApp. There's a pinned comment over there. You can just ping me on WhatsApp, ask about the courses, name yourself if you don't know me or we have never spoken together, and I'll share all the details with you. Along with this, I'll make an announcement right now that I'll be coming up with a big Christmas course this time. I've already started working on it, and this will be a beautiful, cute little Christmas course, which I have not done anything on Christmas since past 2 years, I guess. Yeah, before that we had those mugs, which you can't see, of course, from the live. You can see those 2 mugs. So those were the Christmas mugs that we have done, and we have done some charms and tree hangings and return gifts. Those all things I also have done, but those are all old courses. So I will be coming up with a big Christmas course, not very big, but a good Christmas course this time, with very different kind of Christmas products that we'll be making. So coming back to the course today, आज जो हम course publish कर रहे हैं, this was in my pipeline since quite long. बहुत टाइम से मैं सोचती थी कि ये करना है. ऐसा होता है ना, प्रोजेक्ट्स आपके पास बहुत सारे रखे होते हैं, इट्स देयर इन द टू डू लिस्ट, बट यू डोंट गेट टाइम टू डू दैट. एंड दिस टाइम आई वाज वेरी पर्टिकुलर. आफ्टर अ सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, actually after Diwali, I realized that I can't do flowers. It's too late for me to make those many flowers. And as I promised in the last course क्या था हमारा, अडेनियम. लास्ट कोर्स अडेनियम के दौरान मैंने आपको बताया था कि मैं एक फॉल के लिए बहुत बड़ा कोर्स बना रही हूँ. आई एम हाफ वे डन एंड 30% of the work is still remaining. वो 30% of the work is still remaining, and it will take a little time for me to finish that thing, because I don't want to compromise on the flowers which I thought. मैंने सोचा था कि मैं कुछ चेंज कर देती हूँ, कुछ हल्के फ्लावर्स ले आती हूँ, बट नहीं, मुझे वही बनाना है जो मुझे बनाना है. So it will take a little bit of time for me to make it, so we'll wait. And there are some cutters and veiners which are in the pipeline, जो आ रहे हैं, जिनको आने के लिए टाइम लग रहा है. उसकी वजह से भी वो कोर्स में नहीं कर पाई. बट ये जो कोर्स है, इस कोर्स को मैंने आज से 15 साल पहले 2009-10 में हम पहली बार मैसूर गए थे, और तभी मैंने ये कार्ट देखा था और मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा था. और तब मैंने सोचा था क्या मैं इसको क्ले में बना सकती हूँ. एंड लकीली I've tried making it and it has come out quite okay. I mean, I'm quite happy with the outcome. I'm sure you also would be happy to see it. और तब से मुझे ये बनाना था और आज मैंने इसको बना लिया है. तो अब मैं आप लोगों का ज़्यादा समय नहीं लूँगी. इस प्रोडक्ट को आप डिस्प्ले किसी भी तरीके से कर सकते हैं, बट मुझे जैसे ठीक लगा मैंने इसको डिस्प्ले किया है. मेरा फोकस यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले पे बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. मेरा फोकस था आपको सिखाना. आई वॉन्टेड टू टीच यू हाउ टू मेक ऑल दिस, एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू इनकॉर्पोरेट ऑल दीज थिंग्स into a big project which I wanted to have everything into one. So I tried my level best. आप इसको और हजारों तरीके से डिस्प्ले कर सकते हो, बहुत सारी चीज़ें बना सकते हैं, यही सेम चीज़ें फॉलो करके, यही सेम प्रोडक्ट्स को बना के. तो ऑल द बेस्ट, एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप भी ये कोर्स लें. एंड इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल एंड क्विकेस्ट कोर्स दैट आई हैव डन. ये पूरा का पूरा प्रोजेक्ट मैंने केवल और केवल 10 दिनों में ख़त्म किया है. और कल भी मैं रात को कुछ एक्स्ट्रा सैम्पल्स बना रही थी लोगों को देने के लिए. हाँ, और इस बार मैं आप लोगों को सैम्पल किट देने वाली हूँ. इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय the kit, you will get the sample kit also. So I'm making one little pieces because it's very small, so not that difficult to make. और आप एक flow में बना लेते हैं. So yeah, I have made sample kits also this time. Many people have asked me, आप sample देना आपने क्यों बंद कर दिया है? Because sample takes a lot of time. एक साथ 40 लोग रजिस्टर करते हैं, उसमें से कम 35 लोग सैंपल मांगते हैं. 35 flowers बनाना मतलब I can create one more arrangement. So calculating it that way, I don't know. I somehow feel that sampling should be exclusive and should be made for people who really want to do it. तो अभी भी मैं बनाती हूँ. अडेनियम के भी samples मैंने पिछली बार भी दिए हैं लोगों को. People purchase it. So if you want the flowers, whatever flowers you see, if you want one sample of each, I'm ready to make it. All you need to do is just give me a little bit of time. कोर्स लॉन्च करने के टाइम पे सैम्पल बनाना आसान होता है बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज स्प्रेड ऑन द टेबल. द इंटायर पैलेट इज देयर, कटर्स हैं, वेनर्स हैं, यू आर इन द फ्लो, योर हैंड्स आर सेटल्ड ओवर देयर, सो यू कैन जस्ट मेक इट इन वन गो. That is the reason I make a little samples at the time when I'm making the course and then I put it for sale. So that's how it works. But इस particular course के लिए मैंने sample kit सबके लिए बनाया है. If you want, you can purchase the sample kits separately. So, coming back to the course, without wasting any time, I'll show you what have I made. Ta 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 ta. So, that's the cart. ये बहुत ही ब्यूटिफुल कार्ट है and it's very lightweight. That's the cart and those are the products which I have made. मैंने stick नहीं किया है just because I wanted to show you in the video just like that. Otherwise you can just put a little bit of glue and stick them. So this is the cart. ये वो ठेला है जो आपको हर पार्क के बाहर, हर टूरिस्ट स्पॉट पे, हर अम्यूजमेंट पार्क के बाहर, हर मूवी थिएटर के बाहर, हर जगह पे जहाँ पे भी पब्लिक गैदरिंग होती है, हर दुकानों में, बड़ी मार्केट्स में, छोटी मार्केट्स में, हर जगह आपको ये मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली और दिल्ली में आप करोल बाग चले जाओ या साउथ एक्स चले जाओ, हर जगह आपको ये ठेले जरूर मिलेंगे. एक भैया खोमचा लेके खड़े रहते हैं, वो कुछ बना के देते रहते हैं, शक्करकंदी, नमक पार, ये स्टार फ्रूट, बहुत सारी चीजें, कमरक कहते हैं शायद इसको, आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन. तो ये बहुत सारी चीजें आपको मिलेंगी. स्कूलों के बाहर ऐसे वो बेर मिलते हैं, छोटे छोटे इमली दाने मिलते हैं. तो ये बहुत सारी चीजें बहुत टाइम से मुझे बनानी थी, बट फाइनली आई हैव मेड इट. और मेरा डिस्प्ले ऐसा है, आप चाहे तो इसको और भी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल तरीके से डिस्प्ले कर सकते हैं, बट मैंने और 2 तरीके से आपको इसको बनाना बताया है, विच आई शो यू नाउ. सो आई जस्ट डिस्प्ले, जस्ट नेम देम. ये है कमरक, जिसको बोलते हैं स्टार फ्रूट, एंड द स्टार फ्रूट लुक लाइक दिस. ये एक बड़ा सैंपल था जो मैंने सिर्फ वीडियो के लिए बनाया था. यू कैन सी द डिटेल्स, यू कैन सी हाउ इट लुक्स. इट्स परफेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम दिस साइड एंड अ परफेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम दिस साइड, एंड यू कैन सी द डिटेल्स. उप्स. सो ये है कमरक और वी कॉल इट स्टार फ्रूट, और छोटे छोटे साइज में यू कैन सी लाइक दैट. दिस इज द स्टार फ्रूट दैट वी हैव मेड. ये टोकरी है जिसके अंदर मैंने स्टार फ्रूट डिस्प्ले किए हैं. यू कैन सी हाउ गॉर्जियस इट लुक्स, एंड लाइक दैट ओनली वी हैव आंवला. आंवला, ये अलग अलग कलर शेड्स देख रहे हैं आप इसमें. दीज आर दैट सार आंवला विच इज अवेलेबल इन साउथ. मैंने नॉर्थ में ये आंवले कभी नहीं देखे, बट मैंने मैसूर पैलेस के बाहर खाया था एक बार, और यहाँ बैंगलोर में भी कई जगहों पे ये मिलता है. ये है आंवले. यू कैन सी द डिटेल्स ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी आंवला एंड द वे they have kept in different color variations. Can you see that? How gorgeous it looks. Now we have बेर. ये सूखे बेर हैं जो कि हमारे नॉर्थ में भी बहुत मिलते हैं, and you get it here in Bangalore also. सूखे बेर. Just look at the details of each and every fruit. The same way we have paka hua beer. See how gorgeous it looks. So that's the beer. This is the imli. Can you see the imli? Look at the details. ये इमली है और ये बास्केट भी क्ले से ही बनी है. So इमली. And you have the rose apple. इसको यहाँ क्या बोलते हैं मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है. मेरी आंटी जो मेरे घर में हेल्प है, उन्होंने मुझे कुछ तो नाम बोला था. आपके शहर में इसको क्या बोलते हैं? प्लीज डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन राइट अवे. सो दिस इज द रोज एप्पल. इट्स वेरी सार, और अक्सर लोग बोलते हैं कि इसके नीचे काजू काजू का जो फ्रूट होता है ये वो होता है. इट्स वेरी सार, वेरी जूसी. इट्स, मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. तो ये बहुत ही प्यारा होता है. बहुत सारे अलग अलग कलर्स में ये आता है. मैंने वाइट देखा है, पर्पल देखा है, लाइट पिंक, डार्क पिंक, रेड, बहुत सारे अलग अलग कलर्स में आता है. लुक एट द फ्रूट. I've spent more than 2 days to figure out how to make it, and the most easiest way मैंने आपको tutorial में सिखाया है. So it's one of the most gorgeous fruits. So that's the rose apple. और इसके अलावा आपके पास होगा कच्चा आम, जो कि मैंने एक खाली यहाँ पे रखा है डिस्प्ले पे. ये कच्चा आम है. इसके अंदर आप नमक मिर्ची लगा के यू कैन जस्ट पुट इट एंड यूज इट. इसको एक दूसरे तरीके से भी मैंने दिखाया है. आई विल शो यू इन द अदर वन. सो दिस इज द कच्चा आम एंड इमली मैं आपको दिखाई चुकी हूँ. इसके अलावा देर इज वन मोर थिंग विच आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू इज द नमक मिर्ची का पाउडर. तो ये तो बना ही लोगे आप. नमक मिर्ची का पाउडर बनाना इज अनदर टास्क टू डू. सो दैट्स द नमक मिर्ची का पाउडर. सॉरी, इट्स बिल्ड. You can see how it is. I'll just show you like that. देखिए, ये एक्चुअली नमक मिर्ची का पाउडर है. नहीं, एक्चुअली नहीं है, ये क्ले है, लेकिन ये नमक मिर्ची का पाउडर है. So that's the नमक मिर्ची का पाउडर. I'll show you in the hands. You can see like this. I spent a lot of time in making this small little details. तो एक आपका डिस्प्ले होगा ऐसा. ये कार्ट मैंने Amazon से लिया था. ट्यूटोरियल्स में इसका लिंक मैं शेयर कर दूंगी, विच इज द चीपेस्ट, द क्विकेस्ट, एंड द क्वालिटी ऑफ दिस थिंग इज ब्यूटिफुल. सो दिस इज द थिंग. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस यू विल गेट टू लर्न 2 different variations टू डिस्प्ले ऑल दिस. अगर आपको ये बास्केट में नहीं चाहिए, इसके पीछे आप एक मैग्नेट लगा सकते हैं. इट कैन बिकम a display like that. एक ही बास्केट में आप थोड़ा ये, थोड़ा वो, थोड़ा ये, थोड़ा वो करके you can create a display like that. Put a magnet at the back and your product is ready. Put it on the fridge. Gift it to somebody. It's a beautiful gift to give. तो वैसे आप कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको बास्केट में अरेंजमेंट नहीं चाहिए तो I have a different kind of arrangement. This. So we have created cones with leaf. That's a leaf cone. Everything is clay. Okay, so I should be mentioning it again and again. Everything is clay, and you can see all the 7 products what I have taught is here. So you have the berry, bear, and I have put a little bit of salt and mirchi powder on it. You can see this. So bear, you have the kacha aam. This time I have cut the pieces, put the namak mirchi on the top, and this is ready to go to the customer like that. Now you have the star fruit. इसको भी आप देने के टाइम पे कट कर सकते हो. मतलब when you put it in this kind of arrangement, you can just cut it into pieces, and then you can put a little bit of salt and mirchi and use it. So this is the kamrak or the star fruit. That's the avla. You can see the avla, mirchi and namak on it. Can you see this? It's beautiful. I can't see whether you can see or not. Yeah, this is the avla. This is the rose apple. I've put everything. You can see it's ready to go to the customer. So everything is with the salt and pepper, and without the salt and pepper it looks like this. With the salt and pepper it looks, salt and mirchi powder, it looks like this. So you can see the difference. And this is the imli. You can see the imli. That also I have put salt and pepper. That's the paka hua bear, the bear. And this is the bori, the goni or the sack, which you can see. Just look at the sack. This is also made out of clay. I have molds for all of them so that they all look same. They are looking the same. They are visibly the same, and the clay consistency, everything is the same. And देखने में भी सब एक जैसे हैं. And it's very easy for you to work. When you have a mold, it's very, very easy for you to just put the clay in, take out the stuff and just display. This is the bear, paka hua bear, that's the avla, and this is the bear, sorry, this is rose apple. So ये आप ऐसे बोरी में डिस्प्ले कर सकते हैं. Everything has been having a magnet at the back. You can just put it on the magnet, gift it to somebody. It's a beautiful and a cutest thing to give anyone. Everybody will be loving you forever and remember you whenever they see this. So it's one of the most gorgeous courses I have done, and I wanted to do it in a big thela. So that's the thela what I have. Apart from that, I wanted to make a khomcha for the students. Khomcha matlab wo ek, it's like a, how should I say, it's like a pedestal जो वो लेकर के चलते हैं, like the walkers, the street walkers and the sellers, something like that, they put it on their neck ऐसे बांध के, और they just carry it into different zones, different areas, roam around on the street hawkers you can say, and they sell it as and when people keep on passing them. So it's like that. तो मैं खोमचा जैसा बनाना चाहती थी, but I got a better option, which is the cart, and it's very lightweight. It's wood here. It's not MDF. It's wood, and these wheels and everything. It's very sturdy. You can use them later on. Use this cart later on for your home display also. But I wanted to make something which is very different, very very cute and out of the world. Nobody's teaching it, so I thought let's just try our hands on. So this is the course into which you will get to learn 7 different items: making the star fruit, the imli, the green avla, paka hua ber, lal wala ber. You have the rose apple, kacha aam, salt and mirchi powder. The display in 3 different ways. So this is the course which I have, and one more surprise for you guys. Making the bori, making the goni or the sacks are little difficult for you to have your hands on, so I have created some molds, and the molds are on the way, so the couriers will take a little bit of extra time because the molds are getting made. So I'm making sufficient molds for everybody to have them. That's the kit. If you want to order the kit, you will get the kit, that is separate. You will get these all things in the kit. That's 1 pack of clay. 1 pack of clay is more than enough for the entire arrangement, to make the baskets also, to make the goni also, and to make the fruits, whatever you have. 2 pieces of each you can make with 1 pack of clay. You can also use your homemade clay. Many of the things I have created with my homemade clay also. So you'll get the clay, you'll get mirchi and salt powder, you'll get one sample of each whatever I have made, and you will get 2 molds. If you want, you can purchase the molds separately also. They are listed in the website. You can just go purchase it from the website. That's the goni mold, the sack mold, and that's the basket mold. So both the molds you have over here. If you want, the colors may differently vary. So I have these 2. I've created whatever you see using these 2 molds only. Whatever mold you have, you can do. If you do not have a mold, you can create I have also taught how to create the basket using without any mold. That's the basket. You can see how gorgeous the details are. Like that only you can create your own baskets without any mold. If you want, you can create it like that also. With the mold, the work becomes very easy. All you need to do is just take the little clay, push it here, take it out, and your basket is ready. So it's like this. You can make like 20 baskets at one go. And same thing with the goni. You can see the details of the goni, how gorgeous it looks. This you will not find anywhere in the market because I have created it all by myself. I've created the samples and now they are getting made. So it will take a little time for us to get it. But yeah, the goni molds are all with me. You can take it, make as many gonis as you want, as many sacks as you want. And this is how the sacks look. This is gorgeous. And your work becomes so easy. Ab in sacks ke andar, if you want, you can put fruits, you can do veggies, you can put, once you know the process of making the goni, putting and placing your products onto it, you can make anything out of it. आज मैंने बेर डाले हैं, आप गाजर डालो, आम डालो, संतरे डालो, कुछ भी डालो, जो भी आपने बनाया, you can just try your hands on, and it looks gorgeous. It's so beautiful, out of the world. It's so different. Like टोकरी में तो हर कोई डाल रहा है, आपको हर जगह मिल जाएंगे, बट गोनी में डालते हुए कितने लोग देखे हैं आपने? कितने प्रोडक्ट्स देखे हैं जो आप बोरी में देखते हो, मैग्नेट्स ऐसे नहीं देखते हो, बिकॉज पीपल डोंट हैव द रिसोर्सेज टू make the goni as equal as possible. So this is how the goni looks, and you will get the two molds. One is the basket mold and one is the goni mold, the sack mold, and that's the all kit. In the tutorial I have shown you how to color the clay also, because to make the avla you can see 3 different shades of green. Until and unless you make all 3 different shades of green and mix them together and make your product, it won't look realistic. It really will not look realistic. So coloring the clay is a hack here. Same theory goes with the rose apple also. This is not ordinary red. This is a different kind of red which gives you a little translucent effect, which gives you that kacha, you know, it's a little soft from inside. How do we come to know? How do we get the clay proper? Everything I have taught in the video tutorial. So once you take the videos, you will get to learn how to color the clay also for these particular product, and the same process you can follow and make your own products later on. So the course is here, the kit is here, the products are here, and here the WhatsApp link is there. You can just ping me on WhatsApp, wait for your turn. It takes a little time for me to reach to single person at a time, so just wait for your turn and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And for the other courses, whatever I have mentioned today, the courses which are there on discount, those also you will get to learn. You'll get all the details on WhatsApp, not on the website, because the offers are only and only with me, not on the website. So अगर आपको कोर्स लेना है, कोई भी डिटेल पता करनी है, आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं, लिंक भेज सकते, लिंक है उसके ऊपर क्लिक करके यू विल रीच टू माई व्हाट्सएप, सेंड मी योर इंक्वायरी, आई विल answer as soon as possible. So that's the course. This course is on early bird discount offer and the pre-launch. जब भी मैं कोई कोर्स लॉन्च करती हूँ, I put maximum discounts on that course, which is once in a lifetime offer, which is never ever repeated again. तो जो कोर्स आप डिस्काउंट पे देखते हैं, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, फॉल अरेंजमेंट डिस्काउंट पर है, लोटस फ्लावर कोर्स डिस्काउंट पर है, many other courses are there on discount. You still will not be getting the early bird discount offer which was there at that time when I launched the course. वो प्राइस आपको कभी भी नहीं मिलता है. That is the reason I tell everybody, I ask everybody to come and join the course and take maximum benefits of this course when I launch the course. तो जब भी कोई कोर्स मैं लॉन्च करती हूँ, वो कोर्स मैक्सिमम डिस्काउंट पे होता है. अगर आपको बहुत सारा डिस्काउंट चाहिए, वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम, तो आप इस समय जब मैं कोर्स लॉन्च कर रही हूँ उसको बुक कीजिए एंड टेक मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट्स आउट ऑफ इट. My tutorials are listed on Facebook, secret groups. Once you register for the course, you will be getting the access of all the tutorials at one go. You can watch those tutorials from anywhere in the world as many number of times as you want. You just need to have access to Facebook. That's number 2. And my tutorials are in Hindi and in English with subtitles. So you can learn in Hindi as well as in English. I keep on repeating it again and again so that people should not feel कि हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा है, कैसे करना है. I am an Indian. I speak, my first language is in Hindi and the second language is English. So I speak in both of them. And it's easy for everybody to understand Hindi and English and follow the tutorials and make your own products as beautiful as me. So this is the course. You'll get to learn 7 different products, naming the bear, kacha aam, star fruit, amla, rose apple, imli, paka hua bear. And then you will get to learn the leaf cone, how to display in the leaf cone. You will get to learn how to display in the sack. Now these are only 4 products. You can make more of them as and when you want, as many number of products you want to put. So this is the goni. You will be getting the goni sack mold and the basket mold. If you want, you can purchase them separately. In the kit you will be getting anyways. You will also learn how to make the salt and mirchi powder with clay. So this is not any ordinary thing. This is clay, mirchi and clay, namak. So this is one thing. You'll get to learn a lot of new tricks and techniques to make your own beautiful fridge magnets and the display cart using clay. And that's it. Any questions if you have, I'm ready to take the questions. Any doubts, any issues, Anything you want to discuss with me, please do feel free to ask me. I'll just take up your questions. I'm good. Hello Indra ji. Hello Sandhya ji. Yummy gooseberries. Yes, the gooseberries, I've spent a lot of time in making the gooseberries, and I wanted to make the gooseberries as realistic as possible. I thought of putting a little bit of stock also. Dandi bhi dalna chahti thi, but too much of work. Love the apples. Thank you, Sandra. I've spent a lot of time in making the apples look like apple. I also wanted to make mooli, cucumber, and amrut. I have no time to make all that. Maybe I can use them in some other arrangement. Radish and carrots, I've actually kept it for my some spring or fall arrangements to have a fruit plus in the arrangement, but definitely we're going to do something like that in near future. Also, if you want to learn something in particular, do feel free to message me, to ping me and let me know what you want to learn, so that it's easy for me to understand what people want. अभी तो मैं जो बनाती हूँ मेरे हिसाब से बनाती हूँ, जो मुझे ठीक लगता है मैं वो बना लेती हूँ. क्या लोगों को सीखना है वो मुझे नहीं पता है. So please feel free to point out and let me know. Reach to me and tell me what you want to learn. I'll make sure that I'll keep it in the loop and make the tutorial as soon as possible. So yeah, that's the course launch, and I hope you guys have liked it. I love those amlas and the cart. Chatpati chart, you can say whatever you want to say, but it's one of the most awaited projects that I wanted to do. And the display, don't forget the display. It's one of the most gorgeous displays. So yes, register for this course in the maximum discount offers. I will be having the early bird discount offer for a limited period of time, so you can book your seat. And the tutorials are almost ready. They're 70% done, and just a little bit of time more and they will be ready, will be launched soon. So this is the early bird and the seat booking time going on. Book your seat as soon as possible. And yes, for the other courses discount, for this course fees, for all the other details, just ping me on WhatsApp. You can ping me on WhatsApp. I will get back to you as and when possible. Alright, take care, and I will see you in the next one very, very soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.